Hello dear students, good afternoon. Welcome to Maths IPE classes by NEET World. So now we will be discussing Maths-2B, the topic of integration, very important and highly important and very interesting topic and also very high weightage topic. Correct no? Integration, high weightage topic and very important for you to know how to solve the questions on integration. Integration is very important not just for your IPE, even for your EAP set, okay, JEE, all these things. Correct? Integration is important even for your physics. Correct? So integration, the methods of solving integration question, everything we are going to discuss. So now we will be dealing with the LAQs pertaining to integration chapter. Okay, so we will be dealing in detail about each and every question, but before that we will talk about some basic concepts of integration also. That doesn't mean that I will be telling you the formulas. I'll be more focused on telling you the methods of solving the question. Okay, so integration is all about what? Integration is all about the bringing it to a form where you can directly apply the formula. So the given question, to bring it to the form where you can directly apply the formula, we have various methods. For example, by method of trigonometric substitution, by method of partial fraction, by method of what is that reduction formula, that is converting the, that is completing the square method, by method of what is that, by integration by parts. Okay, so like that various methods are there, by method of using some special integration formulas, all these things are there. Okay, so let us solve them detail, okay, with some basic concepts also. Okay, so let us start with the discussion. We have already told you how to download this soft copy, which will be highly immensely useful for you, okay, for your preparation. Okay, chalo, let us start with the discussion. Already pertaining to 2B, we have discussed what? The chapters of circle is completely done, parabola is done. Okay, now integration, along with that definite integration, that is definite integrals, differential equation. If integration chapter, if you are thorough, the definite integrals, differential equation will be very much easy for you. Okay, so please pay attention and focus when it comes to integration chapter, very important chapter. Okay, let us start with the discussion of integration, friends. Okay, all right. So chapter 6, integration. So LAQs, okay, there are various LAQs that you have to solve based on the previous year analysis. Okay, so this is the first LAQ. Just observe this. So this is the first LAQ, but before going to solve this question, okay, let us discuss some basic concepts of integration. What do you mean by that? So what do you mean by the basic concepts? So when I talk about the basic concepts of integration, I am going to talk about certain very important formulae or results. Okay, not basic formulae, or some results which are important for you to solve the questions on LAQs. Okay, so if I talk about, see here, important results for solving LAQs, for solving LAQs. Okay, so let us start the discussion, friends. So see here, if I talk about the first one, so first one, if I talk about integration, see here, integral of 1 by root x dx. Similarly, if I talk about integral of root x dx, okay, integral of what is this, 1 by x dx, they are highly important, you have to know this. Okay, integral of 1 by root x dx is nothing but 2 root x plus c, you have to know this. Okay, you would have solved in SAQs and VSAQs, you would have known these results. Okay, then when we talk about root x you have to remember, okay, you don't have to derive it. So root x is 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c, okay, plus c, x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. 1 by x, it is log mod x. What is it? Log mod x plus c. Now based on this, okay, we will derive some important results, that is, we will connect this with some important results. So see here, if I talk about first one, see here, fourth one, see here, integral of f dash of x by f of x dx. Similarly, integral of f dash of x by root f of x dx. Similarly, integral of, what is it? Integral of f dash of x into root f of x dx. Okay, so when you talk about this, f dash of x by f of x dx, if I take f of x is equal to t, I will get it as what? 1 by t dt. 1 by t dt is nothing but what? 1 by x dx. So that is nothing but equal to what? Log mod x plus c. Okay, that is nothing but equal to what? Log mod x plus c. So here it will be what? Log f of x plus c. Okay, log f of x plus c. See, this one and this one, it is same. Now see here, integral of f dash of x by root f of x, this is nothing but equal to 2 times root f of x plus c. So this is similar to this one, first question. See, this is first result. This one and this one are similar. Integral of 2 times root f of x plus c. That is why I have written it together. Okay. Next one is what? Integral of f dash of x into root f of x dx. So that is nothing but equal to what? Integral of f dash of x into root f of x dx. That is nothing but equal to integral of root x dx. Because if you take this as t, you will get it as root t dt. That is nothing but equal to what? You will get it as 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 f of x. Okay, whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, these are the important results which you have to know. You can please make a note of it. Okay, you can please make a note of it, friends. I hope I am audible. Let me check once. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, done. Now, having told about the results, methods of solving. These are not results what I am talking about now. Methods of solving integration questions. Methods of solving. Methods of solving. Okay, so when we talk about integration question, actually broadly there are two types. One is trigonometric based, another one is algebraic based. Today in this session we will be dealing mainly about trigonometric based question. In the tomorrow session or in the upcoming session we will be dealing about what? We will be dealing about algebraic based questions. Okay, so one is what? Trigonometric based, another one is algebraic based. Trigonometric based, another one is algebraic based. Okay, so today we will be discussing mainly about what? Trigonometric based type of questions. Okay, trigonometric based type of question. So when I talk about trigonometric based type of questions, so see here, methods of solving. Okay, when I talk about trigonometric based type of question, so see here, there are various types. Okay, there are of various types. So see here. Okay, first one if I talk about 1 by, it will be of the side, if it will be of the form 1 by a cos x plus b sin x dx. This is one thing. Okay, another one will be similar to this. It will be 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c plus constant c, another c will come here. Okay, dx. This is not constant of integration, some constant c like abc. Okay, next another type. So this is here, if I talk about 3. Okay, so you will have numerator also. Numerator is what? 1. Here numerator will be not 1, it will be a cos x plus b sin x divided by what is it? C cos x plus d sin x. Okay, dx. These are one form. Another one form, if I talk about a cos x plus b sin x. Okay, if I talk about b cos x, a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Okay, divided by another one form will be, okay, c is there already here, a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Okay, d cos x, okay, e sin x plus f dx. Okay, these are the various types, friends. These are the various types of problems that you can encounter when we talk about types of integration questions. Okay, these are the various types that you can encounter when we talk about types of integration questions. Okay, so these are the various types that the questions can come. Now let us see how to solve each of these questions, or what are the methods that we have to follow to solve each of these questions. Okay, what are the methods that we have to follow to solve each of these questions. Okay, so these are the 4 types that we have, correct? So these are the 4 types that we have. Now let us solve each of them. Let us see the method to solve each of these questions. Okay, let us see the method to solve each of these questions. Now see here, if I talk about first one, see, if I talk about first one or the first 2 types, okay, they are similar. When I talk about third and fourth, they are similar, but out of this, if you see, if you ask me, the highest number of questions from this type. Okay, highest number of questions comes from this type, friends. Okay, very important. Okay, very important type is this one. You can get questions from here also. So how to solve this type of question? Only thing that you have to do, you have to do some method of substitution. Here the method of solving is, for the first 2 types, it is the method of trigonometric substitution. What you have to do? You have to put, put tan x tan x by 2 is equal to t. It is tan x by 2. Okay, not some tan x divided by 2. It is not like that. Tan of x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, then what will happen? Then sin x will be equal to what? Sin x will be equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Why? Because sin 2x in terms of tan, it will become 2 tan x by 1 plus t square. So that is the substitution. Cos x will become what? It will become, friends, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. And what will happen to dx? Dx will be equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, denominator is always 1 plus t square. Dx will be equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So this is what you have to do. Next thing. Okay, this is what you have to do when we talk about the first and second type. Now when I talk about the third and fourth type. Okay, when I talk about the third and fourth type, here always you have to equate numerator. You have to equate numerator to some method. I will tell you now. Here numerator is what? Here numerator is a cos x. If I talk about this question, numerator is a cos x, okay, plus b sin x. Okay, this will be equal to some constant a into derivative or d by dx of what is it? D by dx of the denominator. D by dx of the denominator is what? C cos x plus d sin x plus another constant, that is b, capital B, into what is it? The denominator, into denominator, that is c cos x plus d sin x. This is what we'll have. Okay, this is what we'll have. Now what you will do? You will differentiate. Then you have to find out the values of a and b. That is sin x and cos x you will have. Okay, you will find the coefficients of cos x, coefficients of sin x in the RHS, and similarly you will equate it with the coefficients of cos x and sin x, that is in the LHS. That is what you will do. Okay, so this basically means these two types. I can write this numerator is equal to, if I talk about this type, numerator is equal to a times d by dx of denominator, I can write then, okay, plus b times, okay, denominator. This is what I'll have. Now what about this type? If you are having some constant also, see, plus f plus c is there. This is nothing but basically similar to the this one only. So numerator will be equal to a times d by dx of denominator plus b times denominator plus c, additional constant, that is c will come. That's all. Okay, that's all you will get. On solving this, okay, you will get to a form where you have to apply certain formulas. That is 9 standard formulas of integration are there. That is 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by square root of x square minus a square, 1 by square root of x square plus a square, like that. There are 9 special type of formulas of integration. Based on that you can solve these questions. Okay, you will get into that form and you can solve these questions. And sometimes, or most of the times, what you will get is, you will get in the form of denominator, you will get into the form of completing the square method. I will tell you about that while we start the question solving. Okay, when we start to solve the question, friends. When we start to solve the question, I will tell about completing the square method. How to solve the completing the square method. Clear? Okay, got it. So let us start with the question. First question, friends, based on this. Let us see the question. Okay, this is not the question we want. We will solve the first question based on the types. Okay, we will not go by order, we will go by the concept which we have discussed. Okay, so this is the question we have. So look at this question, friends. All of you please observe the question. So what is the question that they have given? Integral of 1 by dx, 1 dx, 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. That is nothing but a cos x plus b sin x. That is the method we have to follow. So that is the question that they have given. That is the method which we have to follow. Correct now? That is the first and second question. That is the first and second method which I told you. See here. We have to follow this method. A cos x plus b sin x is given. Similar to this only the question is given here. So look at this question, friends. Okay, this is the question that is given. So let us call this integral of 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. Integral of, see here, what is the question that they have given? Question that is given is integral of, it is 1 times dx, 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. Correct now? 4 cos x plus 3 sin x dx. So they have asked in multiple times. Okay, multiple years they have asked. Okay, so it is important. So this is of which form? The form which we discussed, that is integral of 1 times dx by a cos x plus b sin x. So what we have to do here? Just we have to take, what is the method I told you? We have to put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, so see here, what did we discuss here? Observe here carefully. Put tan x by 2 is equal to t, do these substitutions, then you will get the answer very easily. Okay, so do these substitutions. So see here, first step what I will do, very important step. Okay, see, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, so what we will get then? We will get sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, cos x is equal to, okay, put tan x is equal to c, then substitute. Here we will substitute. Okay, substitute here. Substitute sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, then dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So done. So the method we have followed. What is the method I told you? Same thing we have copy pasted here. Okay, so tan x is equal to t, tan x by 2 is equal to t, tan x by 2, it is not tan x divided by 2, it is tan of x by 2. Okay, is equal to t sin x, cos x and dx. This is what we have. Now let us put these values here. So what we will get? So observe this, friends. So this you will get it as integral of, this will be equal to 1 by 4 cos x. Instead of cos x, what I should write? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So this will become what? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay, this is what I'll have, plus sin x 3 times, what is it? Sin x is what? 2t by 1 plus t square. Okay, 2t by 1 plus t square. So dx means what? Instead of dx, what I should write? I should write 2 dt. Okay, 2 dt. Okay, into, what is this? 2 dt into, what I should write here? Into, divided by, it is not into 1 plus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, 2 dt into 1 plus t square. This entire thing within bracket by 1 plus t square, here it will come here, 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now next what I will do? 2 I will bring it outside, the constant. So 2 I will bring it outside. This will become 2 times 1 into dt divided by, what is this? 4 into 1 minus t square. I can write it as what? 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square is there. I can take LCM, that is 1 plus t square is common. That is common here also, here also. I can take plus 1 plus t square as the LCM here. So this will become what? The numerator, 4 into 1 is 4 minus 4t square. Okay, minus 3 into 2 is 6, plus 3 into 2 is 60. Okay, here what we have? Into 1 by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square. What I will do, if I bring this up, this will come here, this will be here, I can cancel it. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square is cancelled. Now what do I have, friends? I have, see here, this will become 2 times integral of, what is it? 2 times integral of, okay, 1 dt divided by 4 minus 4t square plus 60. Let us write this down. Definitely here we have to apply what? Completing the square method. That is what I told you. While solving the question, I will tell you how to do the questions based on completing the square method. So see here, we have what? 1 dt divided by, what I should write? Minus 4t square, let me write it in proper order, plus 60, okay, plus 4, okay, plus 4. While doing the completing the square method, always the coefficient of x square, t square, everything should be 1 and it should be positive 1. But here we are having minus 4. So what I should do? I should take minus 4 outside. Okay, I should take minus 4 outside. It should become positive. So how to do this? So see here, observe here carefully. Okay, observe here carefully. So we have done this. So let us take it here. Let us copy the same thing here. So this you will take it here. So 2 times integral of 1 dt. Okay, integral of 1 dt divided by minus 4t square plus 60 plus 4. This is what we have, correct now? Let us take it to the next page. Okay, let us take it to the next page. What you have? Integral of 2 times 1 dt divided by minus 4t square plus 60 plus 4, correct? Now let me write it here, completing the square method. 4t square, okay, plus 60 plus 4. This is what I have. This is what I have, completing the square method. Now if I take minus 4 outside, minus 4 if I take outside, this will become what, friends? T square, okay, t square, what will this become? This will become minus 6 by 4t, okay, this will become minus 4 if I take outside, this will become minus 1, this will become minus 1, friends, this will become minus 1. Now further on simplification, what I will get? Minus 4 into t square minus, what is this? 3 by 2, this is what? 3 by 2, okay, 3 by 2t minus 1. Okay, so while completing the square method, always this 3 by 2, the coefficient of t should always be multiplied by half. So this is what? 3 by 2 is there. If I multiply by half, what I'll have? I'll have 3 by 4. So what you should do this 3 by 4? You have to square it and you have to add and also subtract. add and subtract it to this first one, this one, to this equation, add and subtract it. So this will become what? Minus 4 will be outside, of course, t square minus 3 by 2 t. Okay, so first add it, plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 1. Okay, minus 1, this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. Now t square minus 3 by 2 t plus 3 by 4 whole square, this is nothing but what, friends? This is nothing but a minus b whole square, that is t minus 3 by 4, or you can write t minus 3 by 2 whole square, or you can write it as what? T minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, t minus 3 by 4 whole square, you can write it. So this can write it as a what? Minus 4 minus 4 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, minus what is this? 3 by 4 whole square minus 1. So I can take minus common. So this will become what? 9 by 16. Okay, 9 by 16. Okay, plus 1. 9 by 16 plus 1. This entire thing bracket. So this will become what, friends? Minus 4 times t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, minus 9 plus 16 is 25. Minus 25 by 16. This is what we have. 25 by 16. This further what I can write? It's I can write it as minus 4 times. Okay, t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, within bracket. Minus 25 by 16. 25 by 16 can be written as what? 5 by 4 whole square. This can be written as 5 by 4 whole square. This I'll write it as 1. Now this entire thing will become what? This entire thing will become 2 by minus 4 is outside, 2 by minus 4 into integral of what is this? 1 by 1 dt divided by what is this? What is the value I got? T minus 3 by 4 whole square. T minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. This is what I got. I'll write here therefore using 1. I'll write here therefore using 1. I'll write it. Okay. Okay. Therefore using 1. I'll write it. I've written it here. Okay. Next you have to write this. Then below that you have to write this. Okay. Therefore using 1 you write it. First you do this. After this first you do this. After this first you do this. Then after this comes this one. After this comes this one. This is how you have to do. Okay. Next using this one. Now this is of which form? T minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. This is of which form? This I can write it as minus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, minus 5 by 4 whole square dt. This is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. Observe carefully. Okay, this is what we have. Please think about the formula for this. This of which form? This of which form? You have to think about it. Okay, so this for this which is the formula that we will be using. For this which is the formula that we will be using, you have to think. Okay, for this one, this is of which type? These are which type, friends? You have to think about the formula that we will be using. So this is of which form? 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square is what? 1 by 2 times a. 1 by 2 times a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, so this is of which form, friends? So this is of see here you have to write it. Okay, so this is of which form? So see here, let us go to the next page. So this is of which form? You can write it as this, you have it as, so this is of which form? Therefore 1 by x square minus a square is equal to what is it? 1 by 2 times a log of modulus x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, this is the formula we will be using. So therefore this will become what? Minus 1 by 2 will be outside, t minus 3 by 4. So minus 1 by 2 will be outside into 1 by 2 times a. 2 times a is what? A is nothing but what is this? 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is a. So see here, this 5 by 4 is a. X is t minus 3 by 4. X is t minus 3 by 4 into log of what is this? T minus 3 by 4. This will be t minus 3 by 4. Okay, t minus 3 by 4. Okay, t minus 3 by 4. What is this? Minus what is this? 5 by 4. Okay, because x minus a. This is what? T minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 because x plus a. Okay, plus c. Okay, plus c. This is what? Modulus plus c. Now see here, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, what will happen? This 2 will go up. Okay, this 2 will go up, minus 2 by 2 into 5. Okay, 1 by 5 into log of, this is what? If I take LCM, 4t minus, this will be 4t minus, what is this? Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. This will be 4t minus, or this will be 4t plus 2. Okay, plus c. Okay, plus c. Now here I can take 2 common. This will become, if I take 2 common, this will become 2t minus 4. This will be 2t plus 1. So it will get cancelled. This 2 will get cancelled. This will be minus 1 by 5. okay, into log of what is this 2t minus 4 divided by, why I am taking 2 common here, this will be 2t plus 1 plus c. Okay, this is what we got, this is what we got. Okay, minus 1 by 5. Now here further modification I can do, this minus sign I can eliminate. If I eliminate minus sign, this denominator and numerator will what, swap themselves. So this will become what, this will become 1 by 5 log of, you write the denominator first, 2t plus 1 divided by 2t minus 4. Okay, so you are almost done, but instead of t what we have to put, tan x by 2, because you have taken t as what, tan x by 2. So put the value, so this will become equal to what, this will become equal to, okay, 1 by 5 log of, okay, 2 times tan x by 2, 2 times tan x by 2 plus 1, okay, divided by, what is this, this should be plus 1 divided by 2 times tan x by 2 minus 4 plus c. So this is the answer that we have for this question. Okay, this is the final answer for this question. Okay, if you do each and every step thoroughly correctly, you will get complete 7 marks. So see here, it's quite simple question. Okay, but I explained in depth so that you understand how to do the completing the square method. So this is of the first form which I explained. The method of solving I explained. You have to apply what, tan x by 2 is equal to t, then further other substitutions. So this is the type we have to solve this question. Clear? Clear? I hope it is clear. This one. Let us take one more question of this type. Let us take one more question of this type and solve it. Okay, let us take one more question of this type and solve it. You have to please pay attention while doing completing the square method. Very important. So next question. So take up the next question. The next question, it's not in the book, but it's important. Let us do this question. So next question is integral of, they are asking integral of, second question, integral of, okay, 1 by, integral of 1 by 1 plus, what is this, 1 plus sin x plus cos x, integral of 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. So this is the question, friends. Okay, all right. So this is the question, but we have to cross verify the previous question which we did. Okay, whether the answer is right or not, we have to cross verify from the answer from the book. So let us see that question. Okay, let us see that question. So this is what we got. Okay, this is what we got. So what is the answer that is there in the book? What is the answer that is there in the book? Just a minute. Okay. So this is the question we solved. Okay. Look at this. 1 by 5 log 2 tan x by 2 plus 1, 2 tan x by 2 minus 4 plus c. Did we get the same thing? Yes, we got the absolutely the same thing. Okay, so it is perfectly correct. So you understood the method to solve the question. So let us go to the next question, which is based on the same method. Now see here, friends, it is given integral of 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. These are which method? See here, observe here. When I talk about the method, see, these are same as the first method, 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Here constant is there. Here c is nothing but equal to 1. That is what they have given in the question. So we have to apply the same method. Nothing changes here. We have to apply the same method, friends. So what is given? These are things that they are given. So solution. What is given? We have to take the question. Integral of 1 by, let us write it in the proper form, cos x plus sin x plus 1. Okay, 1 dx. Okay, what we will do? Put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Then substitute. What do you have to substitute? Sin x and cos x. Okay, sin x is equal to what? Sin x is equal to what? 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x is equal to what? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Please keep this in mind. So then dx will become, eventually it will become equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. This is my method of substitution. So put these values here. So this will become what? This implies, okay, integral of dx or cos x will become what? 1 into this will be, cos x will become what? 2t, or cos x is nothing but what? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Sin x is what, friends? Sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square, 2t by 1 plus t square, okay, plus 1 is there, okay, all right, into what is this dx is 2 dt into what is this 2 dt by 1 plus t square, okay, this is what we have. Now what we can do, 1 plus t square, we can take LCM here, so this will become what, friends, this will become, okay, further this will become 1 plus t square. If I take LCM, this will become 1 by, okay, 1 minus t square plus 2t plus 1 plus t square, if on taking 1 plus t square as LCM, so this will become 1 plus t square. Further here there will be into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So what I can do, friends, 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square I can cancel. This is what I have. So next step what I will do, I will take 2 outside, 2 times integral of 1 into dt. What do I have here? See here 1 minus t square, okay, here I am having what, 1 minus t square plus t square. So minus t square plus t square I can cancel, okay, I will have what, 2t plus 2. I will have what, friends, 2t plus 2, 2t plus 2, that is what I will have, 2t plus 2, okay, this is what I will have 2t plus 2, 2t plus 2, this is what I will have, okay, 2t plus 2, this is what I will have. So what I can do, 2t plus 2, I can take 2 common, this will become what, okay, 2 common, 2 by 2 into integral of 1 by t plus 1, okay, t plus 1 dt, this is what I will have, 2 cancels. So further see, what is the method we have to follow, please check, please check the method what we have to follow, what is the formula we have to apply. These of which form, please think about it, so solve this, these of which form, already we got it in the final form, these of which form, already I have told you, it is of the form integral of 1 by x, or integral of 1 by x is what, please think about it, integral of 1 by x is log mod x plus t, log mod x plus c, this is of the same form, integral of 1 by t plus 1 dt, okay, integral of 1 by t plus 1 dt. So this is nothing but equal to, let us write it here, integral of 1 by t plus 1 dt. If I put t plus 1 is equal to something x or something, you will get log x. Instead of doing that directly, we can write this nothing but log mod t plus 1 plus c. This is what we will get the answer. But t, what is the value of t? T is tan x by 2. So log of tan x by 2, okay, log of tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. This is the answer, final answer. Okay, this is the final answer we will get for this question, friends. This is the final answer that we will be getting for this question. Clear? Alright. This is the way you have to solve this question. Okay, very simple. You have to just follow the methods and you have to patiently apply the required formula, required method like completing the square. Okay, or you have to see directly you can apply log here. Directly you will be getting the answer. Clear? This is the way to solve this question. So now let us go to the other types also. So let us go to the other types of question. So see here. What was the first question that was there? So see here, friends, they are telling, see here, evaluate, observe carefully, evaluate 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. This is what the question. Okay, let us write down 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. Okay, so this is the question, friends. Look at this. Question is integral of 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 cos x plus 3 sin x divided by, what is it, 4 cos x plus 5 sin x, 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. This is what the question that they have given, dx. Okay, now what we will do, so in the solution, first of all let us take this as a solution itself. Okay, let us take this as a solution itself. This is the question, let us take this as a solution itself. So given integral is this one. So see here, this is the thing that they are given. Here let us write, what is this? This is of the form, which form? So this is of which form? This is a cos x plus b sin x divided by c cos x plus d sin x, okay, d sin x dx. This is of this form, correct? No, this is of this form. How do we solve this question? We have to apply numerator is equal to a times derivative of denominator, okay, derivative of denominator plus what is it, b times denominator. Okay, b times denominator. Or that is what we have. So b times denominator. This is the method we have to apply here. This is the method we will be following here. Okay, for this question. So see, that is the same thing that they are given. Okay, so this is the method we have to apply. So what we will do here? So this implies, we will write here. This is the method we will be following. This implies, what is this? This is nothing but, see, this implies I can write it as 2 cos x plus 3 sin x, because numerator is equal to, okay, 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to, what is that? Numerator is equal to a times d by dx. A times d by dx of, what is it? Denominator is what? 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus b times denominator. Denominator is what? Again 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay, let us write this as equation 1. Let us write this as equation 1. Okay, got it? Clear? So 4 cos x plus 5 sin x, b times 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Here d by dx. So let us derive this, that is differentiate this, not derive. Let us differentiate this, derivative of this. So this will get it as what? Write down this also. 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. Here the process what we are doing is to get the value of a and b. The constant value we have to get it. A times d by dx. So 4 times cos x. Derivative of cos is what? Minus sin. So minus 4 sin x. Derivative of sin is what? Cos. So this will be 5 times cos x plus b into 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Got it? This is what we have. Now let us multiply with a. Okay, and b here. So 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to what? Minus 4a into sin x plus 5a into cos x plus 4b into cos x plus, what is it? 5b into sin x. This is what we have. Now further what I can do, let us write it in terms of coefficients of cos and sin. Coefficients of cos and sin. Here I will write coefficient of cos. Okay, plus here I will write coefficient of sin. Okay, so coefficient of cos. Cos is 5a plus 4b. 5a plus 4b. This is what I have. 5a plus 4b. Now what about sin? Minus 4a plus 5b. Minus 4a plus, this is what? Minus 4a plus 5b into sin x. This is what I have. Okay, now what do you have to do? So I am comparing the coefficients of sin x and cos x. Okay, on comparing coefficients of cos x and sin x, we get, what do we get? We will write here, we get, okay, what do we get? See here, we will get, okay, cos x is what here? 5a plus 4b. 5a plus 4b will be equal to what? Will be equal to 2. This is what we have. Okay, 5a plus 4b is equal to 2. Then what we have? Minus 4a plus 5b is equal to what? This is coefficient of sin x is equal to 3. Now we have to solve these equations. Solve these equations to get the value of a and b. Okay, now we have to solve the solving equation. Let us write this as 2 and 3. Okay, let us write this as 2 and 3. Now solving 2 and 3 to get the value of a and b. Now we have to solve 2 and 3. Okay, solve 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3 means what we will do? Okay, so here what is there? 4 is there, here 5 is there. So here we will multiply by 4. Here equation 2 will multiply by 2 and equation b will multiply by 4. Equation 2 will multiply by 5 and equation 3 will multiply by 4. Okay, so we will eliminate b. Okay, so multiply equation 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. We get what? We get, see here, we get 5 into 5, 25a. Okay, 25a. Okay, 5 into 4, 20b. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 2, 10. Correct? 5 into 2, 10. So this is what? Okay, 4 we have to multiply. 4 into 4 minus 16a. Okay, 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 3 is 12. This is what we have. 4 into 3 is 12. Now let us solve this. So see here, on solving this, minus is there, plus, this will become minus, this will become minus. Okay, on solving this, what we have? 25 plus 16 is what? 41a. Okay, 41a. This is what? It will get cancelled, minus plus. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 41a will become equal to 41a will become equal to 10 minus 12. This is minus 2. So a will be equal to what, friends? A will be equal to minus 2 by 41. Okay, a will be equal to minus 2 by 41. So let us put a is equal to minus 2 by 41 in equation 2. Okay, in equation 2 what we have? Okay, 5a plus 4b is equal to 2. Okay, 5a plus 4b is equal to 2. So 5 into what is this? A is what? Minus 2 by 41 plus 4b is equal to 2. Okay, this will be equal to what? Minus 10 by 41 plus 4b is equal to 2. Correct? Now what we have to do? We have to send it that side. So 4b is equal to 2 plus 10 by 41. So if I take the LCM, this will become equal to 41. This is what? 2 into 41 is what, friends? 2 into 41 is what? So 41 into 2. So this is 41 into 2 is what, friends? So 41 into 2 is 82. 82 plus 10 is 92. Okay. So 4b. So 4b is equal to 92 by 41. So b will be equal to 92 by 4 into 41. So this is what? I can cancel this. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So b will be equal to what? 23 by 41. So we got the value of a and b. Okay, so a is equal to minus 2 by 41. So b is equal to 23 by 41. Now we have to put the value of a and b in equation 1. Okay, we have to put the value of a and b in equation 1. Put the value of a and b in equation 1. Put the value of a and b in equation 1. In equation 1, we get, what do we get? We have to write down. We get, see here, a and b in equation 1. Okay, so what is this equation 1? See here, 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. So we will get what, friends? So we have to write 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. Okay, 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to what? 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to, what is this? Okay, let this be the thing. Okay, is equal to a is what, friends? Minus 2 by 41 into d by dx of minus 2 by 41 into d by dx of, what is this? Into d by dx. Okay, we have to write into d by dx. Into d by dx of, what is this? The denominator. Derivative of what? The denominator. Derivative of denominator is what? Denominator you have to write first. Okay, what is the denominator? That is 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. 5 sin x plus b is what? 23 by 41 into denominator. Denominator is what? 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. This is what we have, friends. Now let us take the integral. Okay, now let us take the integral. Now the integral becomes, what does it become? So here, okay, integral of 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx divided by, what is this? Minus, what is this? We have to write the denominator. Denominator is what? Denominator is 4 cos x plus 5 sin x is equal to, will become equal to, numerator we have to write this. Numerator we have to write this. So this will become minus 2 by 41 into d by dx of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. You have to separate and write the denominator. Separate the denominator and write it. So this will become 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Separate and write it. 23 by 41 into, what is this? 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay, divided by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. This is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. So see here, this one entire thing integral. Okay, this entire thing within the bracket dx. Okay, so what will happen? See here, this entire thing is same, we will cancel. So this is what? D by dx of, okay, what is this? D by dx of this numerator. D by dx of this numerator. D by dx of this numerator. Okay, this is nothing but what? This is nothing but integral of f dash of x by f of x is nothing but equal to, what is it? Integral of f dash of x by f of x is nothing but equal to f of x plus c. That is what we wrote here. So see here. Okay, integral of f dash of x by f of x is nothing but log of f of x plus c. Okay, log of f of x plus c. So this will become equal to what? Minus 2 by 41 into log of, what is this? Log of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay, this plus integral of, what is this? Integral of 1 dx. Okay, integral of 1 dx. Integral of 1 dx is nothing but equal to x. So let me write it here. So I'll write the reason. Therefore, integral of f dash of x by f of x is equal to log f of x plus c. Log mod f of x plus c. Okay, this is what we have to write the reason. Now see here, this will become what? This will become equal to, let me minimize this. This will become equal to, see here, finally this will become equal to, so minus 2 by 41 into log of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x, okay, plus integral of 1 dx is, it is nothing but x plus c. This is what the answer, this is the final answer we will get, okay. So this is the method which we will use. First two types we solved using one method, third and fourth we solved using another method, that is this method, that is numerator is equal to a times d by dx of denominator plus b times denominator. So that is the thing we solved for this, okay. Let us check with the book, what is the answer we have got in the book, let us check with that, okay. So we will have what, see here, we talk about that. So this is what we will have, this is not the question. Okay, this is the question. So see here, minus 2 by 41 log of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 23 by 41 x plus c. Okay, yes, this is one thing we have to do. So see here, okay, here we are having this 23 by 41. So it is not just 1, it is 23 by 41. Okay, this will become what? It is nothing but 23 by, see here, this is nothing but equal to 23 by 41. That constant we have to write. So this will become what? 23 by 41. It is not just 1, it is 23 by 41. Okay, 23 by 41, this will be equal to 23 by 41. Okay, 23 by 41 x plus c. This is one thing we left out. So this is the answer, this is the final answer. So minus 2 by 41 log of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 23 by 41 x plus c. This is the way we can solve this question, friends. This is the way we can solve this question. Alright, I will wind up now. We will meet in the tomorrow session. We will be completely continuing with what? Integration. Apart from that, when it comes to this one, 2a, we will be starting with, okay, what is that? Random variables and probability distribution. Clear? Alright friends, thank you. I will wind up now. Okay, let's meet in the tomorrow session. Take care.